Larry Hoover is one of the 9,000 gangster disciples in the Illinois prison system. He was convicted in 1973 for murder. Investigators believed he was the ranking member of the gang, directing its activities both inside and outside the prison. But investigators realized Hoover never discussed business over the phone.
Well, you just come see me.
Yeah, we had him from there. Yeah, I got you.
Oh, I got you.
From the Vienna Correctional Facility, he didn't have to. Paper told the police that one of Hoover's many visitors, second-in-command Gregory Shell, discussed the purchase of a restaurant they could use to launder money. Shell's girlfriend, Sonia Irwin, would front the purchase. 6 weeks later, the bug was discovered by one of Hoover's visitors. The recording stopped. Of the 55 hours of tapes, only 4 hours showed incriminating conversations between Hoover and his high command. Paige helped support herself by selling cocaine in small amounts. Hoover advised her that real money came from dealing in volume. Hoover told Paige that she would get a good price buying drugs from the gangster disciples and gave her a contact. Hoover was arrested in prison at 4 a.m. and flown to Chicago.
Defendants, please rise. We, the jury, find the defendant, Larry Hoover, guilty on all counts as charged in the indictment.
The packed courtroom was silent as the judge's voice echoed the guilty verdicts for each of the defendants.
Larry Hoover, I hereby sentence
Larry Hoover's reign was over.
life sentences, 7
On June 18, 1998, he received 6 life sentences, 7 2-year sentences, and 3 4-year sentences, all to run concurrently.
5 years.